Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have covered the most important top 50 current affairs of August month. So watch the video till the end. Question number first is, recently the world's first electric flex fuel vehicle has been launched by whom? The correct answer is option A, India. Recently on 29th August, Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari launched world's first electric flex fuel vehicle. This vehicle is 100% ethanol fueled. Chemical formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. All these points are very important for exam purpose. Let's see the next question. Who has been awarded the best smart city in the National Smart City Award 2022? The correct answer is option B, Indore. Indore has been awarded the best smart city in the National Smart City Award 2022. Let's see the some important points about the Smart City mission. Smart City mission started on 25th of June 2015. Next question. Who became the winner of Chess World Cup 2023? Very important question. The right answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. Magnus Carlsen is a chess player and he won the Chess World Cup 2023. Let's see the some important points about the Chess World Cup. Chess World Cup 2023 held in Baku, which is in Azerbaijan. Winner of Chess World Cup 2023 is Magnus Carlsen. He is from Norway, and the runner-up is Pragnanda, who is from India. It was 10th edition of Chess World Cup. Next question. Which is the first country in the world to reach the south pole of the moon? This is very important question and the right answer is India. Option D is the correct answer. India is the first country to reach the south pole of moon. Chandrayaan mission 3 was successfully landed on the moon's south pole. Remember this. Let's see the some important points. Chandrayaan mission 3 launched on 14th July 2023. On 23 August 2023, Chandrayaan 3's lander Vikram reached the moon's south pole and India became the first country to reach the moon's south pole. This is very important point. Remember this. The place where the lander Vikram landed will be known as Shiv Shakti Point. The spot on the moon where Chandrayaan 2 touched down will be known as Tiranga Point. Remember this. Chandrayaan 3 rover name Pragyan and 23 August will be celebrated as National Space Day. So remember all these points. These points are very important for your upcoming exams. Let's see the next question. What is the name of the official mascot of FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? The correct answer is option B, Tajuni. Let's see the some important points about the FIFA World Cup. FIFA Women's World Cup held in Australia and New Zealand. Jointly, FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 was held in Australia and New Zealand. Winner of the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 is Spain and runner-up is England. So remember all these points. Where was the 15th BRICS Summit held? The correct answer is option C, South Africa. 15th BRICS Summit held in Johannesburg, South Africa. Remember this. Let's see the some important points. 15th BRICS Summit was held in Johannesburg, South Africa. 6 countries, Egypt, Iran, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia and Argentina will become full members of BRICS group from 1st January 2024. So remember all these points. This is very important for your exam. Which state government has recently banned single-use plastic? The right answer is option B, Assam. Let's see the next question. Who won the gold medal in the javelin throw event in the World Athletics Championship 2023? The right answer is option A, Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in the World Athletics Championship and he became the first Indian player to won a gold in World Athletics Championship. So remember that point. World Athletics Championship 2023 held in Budapest, Hungary. Next question. Recently, Sretha Thavisin became the new Prime Minister of which country? The right answer is option C, Thailand. Next question. Who has become the chairman of the National Green Tribunal? The right answer is option D, Justice Prakash Srivastava. Let's see the some important points. NGT establishment 18th October 2010. First chairman of the NGT was Justice Lokeshwar C. Pant. Let's see the next question. Recently, which state government has increased women's reservation in government jobs from 30% to 35%? The right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government has increased women's reservation in government jobs from 30% to 35%. Next question. Who has won the Dutch Grand Prix 2023? The right answer is option A, Max Verstappen. He is a player of Red Bull. Let's see the next question. Emerson Mnangagwa was elected the president of which country for the second time? The right answer is option B, Zimbabwe. Next question. Which of the following schemes has been given the National E-Governance Award 2023? The right answer is option B, Swamitva Yojana. Swamitva Yojana has won the National E-Governance Award 2023. Let's see the some important points. Swamitva Yojana full form is Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. This Yojana started 24th April 2021 and this scheme is related to Panchayati Raj Ministry. Current Union Minister of Panchayati Raj is Mr. Giriraj Singh. Let's see the next question. Who has been made the national icon of the Election Commission of India? Very important question. The right answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Some important points. Election Commission of India was established on 25th of January 1950. First Chief Election Commissioner was Sukumar Sen and first woman Chief Election Commissioner was V.S. Ramadevi. And current Chief Election Commissioner is Rajiv Kumar. He is the 25th Chief Election Commissioner of India. Let's see the next question. Recently, during his visit to which country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi led a wreath at the tomb of the unknown soldier? The right answer is option B, Athens, Greece. Next question. Where was the 9th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference held? The right answer is option D, Udaipur. 9th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference was held in Udaipur. Next question. Which has become the first airport in the Northeast region to start DigiYatra facility? The right answer is option A, Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, Guwahati. Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, Guwahati has become the first airport in the Northeast region to start DigiYatra facility. Next question. Recently, John Warnock passed away. He was the co-founder of which company? The right answer is option C, Adobe. John Warnock was the co-founder of Adobe company. Let's see the some important points. Adobe current CEO is Shantanu Narayan. Adobe headquarters is in San Jose, California. Founder of Adobe is Charles Geschke and co-founder of the Adobe is John Warnock. Adobe established in December 1982. Remember all these points. Let's see the next question. What percentage of tax has the GST Council decided to impose on the value of all claims made on online gaming? The right answer is option C, 28%. Next question. Recently, who has been honored by the Maharashtra government with the state's first Udyog Ratna award? The right answer is option D, Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata has been honored by the Maharashtra government first Udyog Ratna award. Next question. Recently, which state's Meti banana got the GI tag? The right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's Meti banana got the GI tag recently. Meti banana is also known as baby banana. Let's see the next question. Who has been declared by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited as its brand ambassador? The right answer is option C, Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid has been declared as BPCL brand ambassador. Next question. Where has India's first 3D printed post office has been inaugurated? The right answer is option A, Bengaluru. India's first 3D printed post office has been inaugurated in Bengaluru. Next question. Udgam portal has been launched by whom? The right answer is option B, RBI. Reserve Bank of India has launched the Udgam portal for searching unclaimed deposit. Udgam full form is Unclaimed Deposit Gateway to Access Information. And on 17th August 2023, RBI has launched the Udgam web portal for searching unclaimed deposits. Remember this. Next question. Who has launched the Rajmarg Yatra app? The right answer is option A, NHAI. Recently, National Highway Authority of India has launched the Rajmarg Yatra app. Remember this. Next question. Who has been recently given the status of Navratna company by the Finance Ministry? The right answer is option D, ONGC Videsh Limited. ONGC Videsh Limited has given the status of Navratna company. ONGC became the 14th Navratna company. Let's see the next question. Which medal was won by the Indian women's compound team in the World Archery Championship 2023? The right answer is option A, gold. Indian women's compound team won the gold medal in World Archery Championship, and it is the first gold medal in any category for India in the World Archery Championship. So remember this. World Archery Championship 2023 was held in Berlin, Germany. Jyoti Sureka Vennam, Praneet Kaur and Aditi Gopichand Swami was in the team who won the gold medal in the World Archery Championship. So remember all these points. These are very important for your upcoming exams. Let's see the next question. Which state government started a scheme called Shubh Yatra? The right answer is option D, Kerala. Kerala has started Shubh Yatra scheme. Next question. Recently, who has launched an app called Masi? The right answer is option C, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. NCPCR recently launched an app called Masi. Masi full form is Monitoring App for Seamless Inspection. Next question. Which country has been officially recognized by the World Health Organization as the 18th country to successfully eradicate trachoma? The right answer is option C, Iraq. Next question. Hun Manet has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? The right answer is option A, Cambodia. Recently, Hun Manet has been appointed as Prime Minister of Cambodia. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer of Tesla? The right answer is option B, Vaibhav Taneja. Vaibhav Taneja has been appointed as the new CFO of Tesla. Next question. Chandrayaan mission Luna 25 has been launched by which country? The right answer is option B, Russia. Luna 25 moon mission has been launched by Russia. Next question. Which is the highest performing district under Jal Jeevan Sarvekshan 2023? The right answer is option C, Srinagar. Next question. In which of the following districts Chikri Woodcraft and Mushk Budji rice have been provided GI tag? The right answer is option A, Rajouri, Anantnag. Rajouri's Chikri Woodcraft and Anantnag's Mushk Budji rice have been provided GI tag. Next question. Where was the joint naval exercise Malabar 2023 held? The right answer is option C, Australia. Joint exercise Malabar 2023 was held in Australia. It was the 27th edition of the joint exercise, and Malabar is joint naval exercise of India, America, Japan and Australia. These four countries is a part of Malabar exercise. Next question. Who has launched the Singh Suchna app to keep an eye on lions? The right answer is option B, Gujarat. Recently, Gujarat launched the Singh Suchna app to keep an eye on lions. Next question. Where was the Traditional Medicine Global Summit 2023 held? The right answer is option B, Gandhinagar. Next question. Recently, CSIR NBRI launched an extraordinary variety of the national flower lotus. What is its name? The right answer is option C, Namo 108. Some important points. CSIR full form is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Its headquarters is in Delhi. NBRI full form is National Botanical Research Institute and its headquarters is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. What is the name of India's first long-range revolver? The right answer is option A, Prabal. Prabal is manufactured by Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited and its headquarters in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Anwarul Haq Kakar was sworn in as the caretaker Prime Minister of which country? The right answer is option C, Pakistan. Next question. Recently, who has been appointed by the Centre as the Managing Director of Life Insurance Corporation of India? The right answer is option B, R. Doraiswamy. Recently, R. Doraiswamy has been appointed as the Managing Director of LIC. Some important points. The current chairman of LIC is Siddharth Mohanty. LIC established on 1st September 1956 and LIC headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question. Where will the country's first common test center for unmanned aerial system drone be set up? The right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Where has the country's first night street racing circuit has been launched? The right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Recently, country's first night street racing circuit has been launched in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Recently, C.R. Rao passed away. He was a mathematician and statistician. C.R. Rao was a mathematician and statistician. Next question. Where was the joint naval exercise Jayat Talwar 2023 held? The right answer is option A, UAE. Jayat Talwar exercise held in Dubai Port Rashid and it is a joint naval exercise of India and UAE. So remember this point. Next question. Where was the 9th India International MSME Expo and Conference 2023 held? The right answer is option C, New Delhi. Next question. Recently, Wanindu Hasaranga retired from Test cricket. He is a player of which country? The right answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Wanindu Hasaranga is a Sri Lankan player and he has been retired from Test cricket. Next question. Which is the 54th Tiger Reserve of India? The right answer is option A, Dholpur Karoli Tiger Reserve. Dholpur Karoli Tiger Reserve is in Rajasthan and it is the 54th Tiger Reserve of India. So friends, today's question for you. Who is the winner of FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? Give the answer in the comment box. Thank you.